Please.
Disam. That
Please.
firearm.
Please.
Well, tulia hivyo. Disam. Umedisam. Mara moja. Mara moja. Umedisam, right?
Nimedisam.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Sasa utulie vile. Utulie.
Tulia.
Dissatisfied the way I do it, then you have to search me.
There is no need.
Si huwa namna hiyo
Kabisa. Simama tu. Wacha tu. Simama tu.
Yes.
Hapo simama tu kwa left kila sisi. There is no need mzee.
Could be having another firearm. Sasa yeye haraka kila mahali.
Where the Deputy OCS of Kiembeni was arrested receiving Kenya shillings 8,000 as an inducement to release the suspect. During the said operation, we recovered the treated money and the firearm which the officer was holding. The arrest was done at Billionaire Club, which is at Kisauni, around Kisauni corner stage. The suspect is now in custody at Port Police Station and may be released on cash bail pending appearance in court. We are going to conduct a more extensive investigation by way of lifestyle audit, financial investigation, to establish others who are connected to the offense, because we believe this is a corrupt cartel, and the investigation will be in-depth. Yes, there are several incidents. We are receiving every day reports of police officers receiving bribes, demanding bribes. Just a week ago, we arrested one at Lekoni, Lekoni Tourist Police. Day in, day out, we receive these reports, and we urge the police officers to desist from engaging